Hello folks, it's Mother's Day today. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers who are watching this video. And this is my Mother's Day gift, that birdhouse. For my mom because she loves bluebirds, and so this year I wanted to give some unique gifts, so I bought a birdhouse. If your mom likes birds, they can go and online this gift for Mother's Day. Hello folks, today I'm going to show you another Mother's Day birdhouse gift. And here it is. It's for a bluebird family. The last one we saw was for a tiny couple. This one will be for a family that has 2 or 3 birds. And also there are flowers. And it's also time here. These are 2 of my birdhouses that I got for Mother's Day. So I'm going to explain how these things work. So first, this one, you can go and open it from the back. And also there are ventilation, so you can hear the bird breathing, or birds. So this one, you can see this, you can go and hang it. And in the back sides, these can open like that, and even the other way. And even in the back, these can open for cleaning purposes. And that's all. Mother's Day gift ideas that I did are pinch pots that I made from real clay from the mud. I did simple white, it's fine. And others. So this one is a little note, and this one is how well do I know my mom?